To set how long snoring audio recordings are kept on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can do so directly from your watch setting menu and from the wearable app on your phone. As the example, we will do so from the wearable app. To do so on your phone, go to the app screen, find wearable app and then tap it. Tap watch setting. Next, tap health. Under measurement section, tap sleep. Tap snore detection. Tap the option below delete audio recordings after. And then choose how long you want to keep the audio. As the example, we will select 7 days. So that the phone will keep snoring audio recording for 7 days before automatically deleting them. So, given to the function, setting how long your snoring recording are stored helps manage your device storage while still keeping useful sleep data for your review. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.